This Botslab AI-enhanced 4K camera has both the front-facing dash cam and a rear-facing camera as well. It's not too difficult to install, and it has a lot of features.
Here's a quick unboxing. You get the camera itself, a memory card. Here are some accessories, the quick start guide. There's a wire tool, the power. This is the backup camera. There's a second option for power. This gets connected to the fuse box. The first step is to add the included memory card.
Format memory card. Memory card is being formatted. Storage card formatted successfully. Start recording.
After you clean the glass, remove the protective coating. Now it's permanent. To interact with the device, there's only 3 buttons on the bottom. They're clearly labeled. This is how you thread the wire, and this is real time. Look at how fast it is. It goes up and over. The one wire goes down to the power. This goes back to the rear camera. The camera does rotate 360 degrees, very flexible, easy to install, and I just pretty things up here. Now I am ready to go. Everything looks good, and I'm off. I've overlaid what the camera sees in the upper left. It does have some metadata on there. Very convenient.
The dash cam is installed, and I'm taking my first ride.
Again, I've overlaid what the camera is seeing in the upper right-hand corner. Notice the 4K resolution quality, very crisp and clear. The real power of the system comes with the app. This is the main interface. Look at all of these settings. Very easy to understand. The important sensitivity and reminders features are here. These are lane deviation and distance warning sensitivity, front car reminder start, pedestrian collision. To look at your recordings, choose albums, and then you can see the metadata overlaid on the videos. At the bottom, there's clearly marked items to share and do other important things with the video. Here's the backup camera. Backing up is important to capture on video, and I like the peace of mind that this gives me.